Good morning, friend and my dear student. Today topic is difference between heat and work. Heat and work are the two different way that you can transferring the energy one system to another. And the distinction between heat and work is important in field of the thermodynamics. Heat is transferred from thermal energy between systems, and while work is transfer of mechanical energy in between two systems. Okay, basically heat is transfer is possible when one side is high temperature, other side is low temperature, so heat will flow high to low. Okay, and this heat is cross the boundaries, so it goes to the system, and so this heat having the energy, and it transform into another form, that's a form of work may possible, or heat molecules very disordered form. So the possibility of a work conversion is very less quantity, so heat is a low grade energy. In work in work there is a very ordered energy. In particular direction you push molecules or atom, it will goes in particular direction and it will happen. So work is high grade energy. So in two pictures you have see, in the one case is heat is supplied to this bowl, and in this bowl there is water is boiled, and this boiled water will up, there is change in volume, and change in volume, and due to change in volume work is happening. Okay, there is some displacement. If you put up a piston on that, and inside there is a volume which increase, so that there is the pressure of this water on the piston, and this move upward, and so work is happening. Okay, and this work is goes out the system, and this heat is goes inside the system. Okay, in that particular diagram. So okay, next slide. This is the heat and work comparison. Okay, they are the two column, heat and work. Heat is a form of energy. Okay, work is the amount of energy transferred by a force acting through a distance. Okay, heat requires the temperature difference. Work in work requires force and displacement. Okay, Q is greater than 0 when the environment is higher temperature than the system, and energy transferred into the system. W is greater than 0 when gas is compressed and energy transferred into the system. When Q is less than 0, when system is at high temperature and then the environment, so energy is transferred from the system. And W is less than 0 when gas expand and energy is transferred out to the system. Heat is low grade energy. I have already discussed about that. The heat in atomic level, they are very random manners molecules. They have not a particular direction. Due to this, we convey transform the energy in another form, there is a little chance to your desired goal, to get goal. Work is a high grade energy. I am already that say that the atom in the work is very ordered manner. So if you push up a particular direction, the work is happening. So the constraint is more. So the constraint is more so that this work is happening in particular direction, very possible manners. The efficiency of the transfer of heat to work is lower, and the efficiency of transfer of work to heat is higher. हम कह सकते हैं कि यदि हम हीट को किसी हीट इंजन में सप्लाई करेंगे तो वहाँ पे चांसेस रहता है कि उसका 30% वर्क में कन्वर्ट होगा, लेकिन वर्क को हम हीट में कन्वर्ट करें तो मैक्सिमम 70-80%, मैक्सिमम 99 या 95% चांस रहेंगे वो पूरा का पूरा हीट में कन्वर्ट होगा. सो दिस इज़ द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कन्वर्जन in maximum way. Work. If the work is done by a system on the surrounding, and if fluid expand pushing a piston outward, the work said to be positive. देखिए एक सिलेंडर है, इस सिलेंडर में आपका एक पिस्टन लगा हुआ है और यहाँ पे कोई गैस है और यहाँ से आप हीट अप कर रहे हैं, इसको क्या कर रहे हैं, हीट दे रहे हैं, हीट. ठीक है, तो जब हीट देंगे तो जो गैस के मॉलिक्यूल्स है the molecules distance is increased, so that there is a volume is increased, so piston is moving outward, so that means the work is transferred to the surroundings, so that is the work is positive, or it is always positive when the work is goes outside the system. Okay, that is positive. In that is possible in expansion process and in turbine expansion process. Okay, if the work done on the system by surrounding, when the force is applied to the piston to compress a fluid, so work is to be negative. कि यदि हम उल्टा इस पे कोई वर्क लगाएं इस सिस्टम को तो यहाँ पे एयर कंप्रेस होगी, तो कंप्रेस होगी, तो उसके लिए हमें वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज़ करने के लिए, मॉलिक्यूल्स को नज़दीक लाने के लिए हमें वर्क डन देना पड़ता है, और ये वर्क डन सराउंडिंग से आता है. ठीक है, तो जब सराउंडिंग से कोई वर्क सिस्टम पे लगाया जाएगा दैट मीन्स नेगेटिव, दैट इज़ अ साइन कन्वेंशन. In these pictures we have the work is given to that is negative, heat is given to this system is positive, and the work out the system is positive, and heat out or rejected to the system, so the sign convention is negative. Okay, next, heat in general, heat transfer to the system is considered as positive already in pictures, while heat transferred from the system is considered negative. Similarly, similarities क्या है, both are energy interaction, both are transient phenomena, both are boundary phenomena, both represent energy crossing the boundary of the system, and they are not a property of a system, both are the path function. Dissimilarities क्या है, heat transfer is the energy interaction due to the temperature difference only while work is not. Okay, heat is low grade energy while work is a high grade energy. Heat is a thermal energy while work is a mechanical energy transfer across the system boundary. So basically when you take when you take any compressed air system, in that there is, if the volume is increase or decrease, so that means there is some change in work is happening. Okay, if there is no volume change, that means there is no work happening. Okay, so that, thank you, that is the difference of heat and work. It is enough to uh, yeah, study for your syllabus. Thank you, best of luck, having a nice day.